And he came home and he noticed that his wife left him dinner on the table. He said, oh, that's very nice. So he gobbled it up, went to bed, woke up the next morning and said, you know, honey, thank you for leaving me dinner. And she said, that wasn't dinner, you idiot. That was dog food. I said, I don't care. I loved it. I want to have it tonight for dinner. So she figured out it's easy for her, you know. She doesn't have to cook. She gave dog food for dinner. He loved it so much, he said, give me dog food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So they go to the pet shop that they always go to, and they have a little dog, and she usually would buy a 5-pound bag of dog food. So she goes in and she's buying a 20-pound bag every week. And the cashier says, you know, you have a small dog, what are you buying so much dog food for? And she says, well, my husband loves it. He eats it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And the cashier says, you know, it's not good for humans. It's going to kill him. So she goes home, she tells her husband, you know, it's not good for you, you know. He says, I don't care. I want dog food. So for the next 3 months, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, he has dog food. And then one day the woman goes in to the pet shop and she buys a 5-pound bag again. And the cashier says, see, I told you, it's going to kill him eventually. And the woman says, yeah, yes, you know, my husband did die. And she says, oh, I'm sorry. She says, was it the dog food that killed him? And she says, no, he got hit by a car. No, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened? He says, he was crossing the street and he stopped to lick his balls.
Woo! That makes me start laughing.
See me on YouTube. All right.